You can load data in Power Pivot using an external data feed. This is the foundation technology that is used also to import data from reporting services and the Azure Data Market. A data feed is a set of data that can be transferred using a protocol, a standard protocol called OData. You can load a data feed by going in from other sources and selecting other feeds. At this point you click Next and you have to write here the data feed URL. This is a URL address that identifies the data source. The protocol used is called OData, and in this page you can find the specification for this protocol. You might have several data providers implementing this protocol, but fundamentally you should have an URL that contains an XML document like the one that you see now. This document contains the specification of the set of tables that is available in this data feed. Once you know that the URL for a data feed is correct, you can just copy and paste it in the table import wizard as a data feed URL. At this point, you can click Next and proceed with looking at a list of the tables available. You can select the table that you want to import, and you can also preview the content of each table so that you can decide in advance which column you want to import, and you can confirm the selection and then click Finish. In this way you can load the content of the table that you selected, and you will see the data in your Power Pivot data model. Every time you will refresh this table, the OData feed will be contacted again and a new copy of the data will be downloaded into your data model.